There's just something about this recipe that feels special. It's simple and cozy, but it's also the kind of thing you really can't get at a restaurant. The herbs underneath slowly infuse into the chicken as it roasts, and it just fills the whole house with the most incredible smell. It's easy, it's calm, and honestly, it's one of my favorite things to make.
Mm, so good.
I've got 8 chicken thighs, and now I'm just drizzling them with olive oil and massaging it all over. I'm seasoning one side first. I'm using Diamond Crystal Kosher salt. It has the perfect texture and salinity for this dish. Next, some freshly ground black pepper, garlic powder, and herbs de Provence. This blend usually has rosemary, thyme, oregano. It's super aromatic and holds up beautifully in the oven. Now I'm turning the chicken over and seasoning the other side the exact same way. I'm massaging all of that in, getting underneath the skin, and all that good stuff. Now here's the important part that really gives my chicken a lot of herb flavor. I'm making a bed of fresh rosemary and thyme for the chicken to sit on. As it roasts, all of those fresh herbs really infuse and perfume the chicken. The smell is incredible. I'm just adding a little olive oil over the herbs to keep them from drying out, and then I'm placing the chicken right on top, keeping the pieces close together. If any herbs are sticking out, I just tuck them in, and if some of the herbs are still exposed, I just spoon a little oil over it to keep them from drying out. This is going into the oven at 400 degrees for 40 minutes, and trust me guys, this is gonna smell so good. That looks about done. Look at that, golden, crispy, and it smells amazing. Alright, let's try a bite.
So good.